Hi, my name's Denise. I'm the owner and creator behind These Purdy Pieces. And this video is about my very first industrial sewing machine, which is the Cowboy CB6900 cylinder arm compound feet with a detachable flatbed. I got it from Sun Valley. I will have its link in the description below. So this video is about me putting together that machine. I apologize in advance. It may be a very fast, very short video. I haven't actually watched me attempting to put it together today, but all I can say is that it was difficult and harder than I thought it would be. But yeah, so I don't know if I can say enjoy the video, have a good laugh. I'm going to cut out a lot of it, so it might be a very short video. Okay, thank you, bye. Well, that was it. That was me unboxing and putting together my brand new industrial machine, the Cowboy CB6900. I am so excited to get started on this machine and see what bags I can create. I highly recommend that you have someone on site to help you maneuver the machine head around because it is extremely heavy. I can't reiterate that enough. Don't do it by yourself. Just don't. It is my hope that this is the beginning of a brand new Learn With Me series on this channel, where you could watch me and learn with me, probably through trial and error, figure out how to use this machine and see what works and what doesn't work. So if you have any ideas for video content, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I guess I hope to see you next time. Okay, bye!